Welcome to another furniture project. My name is Andy with Sandbanks Designs. In today's project, we're going to be transforming 3 cabinets. Stay tuned to the end for the before and after pictures. Let's get started. I begin with cleaning all of the cabinets with my TSP degreaser and removing all of the hardware. In this case, I removed all of the doors and the hinges, just to make it easier to paint the doors and on the sides of the cabinets. Using my Surf Prep Pro and a medium grit foam pad, I sand everything down. It's important to make sure that you remove that clear, shiny surface. After sanding everything down, I wipe everything down with a cloth just to make sure that all of the dust has been removed. Using a 4-inch foam roller, I'll be applying my Zinnser bin shellac primer. The nice thing with this primer is that it dries fairly quickly, and I can apply a second coat in as little as 45 minutes. After each coat, I sand everything down with the 220 grit sandpaper and wipe everything down to make sure there's no dust. For today's project, I'll be using Benjamin Moore Advance, Simply White. In total, I'll apply 3 coats with sanding in between. The thing with this particular paint is that it does take 16 hours to dry in between coat, so this will take place over the course of a few days. Now it's finally time to remove all the plastic and reattach all of the hardware. Let's take a look at the before and after. Thanks again for viewing. Please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.